Bob Jones? Oh, great fight tonight. That second round knockout was unbelievable. Hey, can I take a picture?
Of course.
Yes. Thanks, champ. You're the man.
Appreciate it.
Welcome back, Mr. Jones. Hey. Congratulations on the huge win.
Thank you, Will. Thank you. I forgot my gym bag upstairs. Do you mind grabbing it for me?
Not at all.
Thank you. May I help you?
Please, can you spare some change? I'm really starving.
Do I know you?
I don't think so, man. I'm out here on the streets. I don't know any rich people.
I know you. You look really, really familiar. Oh. A long time ago. We were just kids. And you would always beat me up.
No! Give him back!
What? Does Rob the reject need his 4 eyes to see?
No! Please! That's my last pair!
What are you gonna do about it? That's what I thought. Maybe if you weren't such a weakling, this wouldn't happen. See you later, Rob the reject.
Mike Davis. Used to bully me in school.
Rob? Rob the reject? You're the famous boxer now. Look, man, I'm really sorry. That was a long time ago.
I used to dream of the day I run into you and teach you a hard lesson.
Wait, please don't. So sorry for everything.
What are you doing? I'm not gonna hurt you.
What? Money? All this for me?
Yeah. For you, Mike.
I can't believe it. But why are you helping me? After all I did to you?
Well, you see, every time you beat me up, I would just sit and cry. I was so upset on how much you hurt me. But then, I decided to learn how to defend myself. So I started practicing boxing because I never wanted to be so powerless again. And as time went on, I started getting good at it. Really good. In fact, I became one of the best boxers in the world. So, you see, I hated you for a long time. And I was mad that you hurt me. But then I realized you actually helped me. Because of you, I learned how to fight. And I became the champ that I am today.
Wow. I'm so sorry about everything, Rob. I'm not proud of who I was.
Here's my card. Call me anytime. And we'll figure out a way to get you on your feet.
Oh my God, you would do that for me?
Of course. Because in some weird way, you helped me become the man that I am today.
God bless you, man.
Come here.
Hey Doorman fam, I hope you loved that message about how you can take your greatest struggle and turn it into your greatest success. I appreciate you watching, and remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos or tell others about them, then you're helping to change lives too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.